Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to stretch a ladder and how to revise a ladder. We will also learn how to add rungs to a ladder. To start with, you can see here that C04_Toot01 drawing is saved with the name C04_Toot02 drawing and added to the CADCIM project list. And then it is dragged to the tutorials folder as discussed in our previous video. Now, to stretch a ladder, choose the Home tab, and then go to the Modify panel and choose the Stretch tool. On doing so, you will be prompted to select objects. Now, select vertical buses of the ladder like this and then press Enter. On doing so, you will be prompted to specify the base point. Select this as a base point, and then drag it down like this and then press Enter. You can see now the ladder is stretched. Next, press Enter to exit the tool. Now, to revise a ladder, choose the Schematic tab, and then in the Edit Wires, Wire Numbers panel, go to the Modify Ladder drop-down and choose the Revise Ladder tool. On doing so, the Modify Line Reference Numbers dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, enter 7 in the Rung Count Edit box and 1 in the Reference Numbers Start Edit box. Next, choose the OK button. On doing so, you can see the line reference numbers for the ladder are changed, and one more line reference number is increased as compared to the previous one. Next, let us discuss how to add a rung to this ladder. For that, make sure that the Schematic tab is chosen, and then in the Edit Wires Wire Numbers panel, go to the Modify Ladder drop-down and choose the Add Rung tool. On doing so, you will be prompted to specify the location where the rung needs to be added. Go to the line reference number 7, where there is no rung, and click in the area between the vertical buses like this. Now, the rung is added for the line reference number 7. Next, save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S. That is all in this video. Now you know how to stretch a ladder, how to revise a ladder, and how to add rungs to a ladder. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to contact us at sales@cadcim.com.